So hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, Associate with Dialysis. Welcome to Dialysis. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you another legal topic. As we know that there are so many types of frauds which are being committed at present time, right? And from the last around 1 decade. So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you scams which involves advance payment of fees. What type of these scams are? Let's discuss in this video. These cases are the in these cases the victim are asked to make a payment, advance payment of the sum. They would be promised to be receiving just the double of what they have invested. And the second thing is, but one of the money has been given, no track of the offenders can be found. In these cases, the scammers target those people who have already lost much amount somewhere. An appeal is made to their is appeal is to be is made to their sentiment, and sentiment that the amount they are investing would be doubled, and they would be able to recover the loss caused from the last transaction done by him. And the commission of this type of fraud had originated from Nigeria. The first case of Nigeria 419 in India was registered in the year of August 2003, where Piyush Kankaria, a Howrah Kolkata based businessman, filed a multi-million fraud case under the section 420 of the Indian Penal Code of 1860. Piyush, out of financial crisis, had become a victim to this fraud, where he had to claim $7.5 million from an account in return for $3 million, and for which Piyush had already advanced a mobile handset as a gift. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you pretty much clear with the fact. In case of any confusion, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. See you on the next video with some more information.